What's up, everybody? It's an evening of monumental importance. Mandy and I are getting started on the 2025 gardening season. So here in a second, and Gracie, of course, here in a second I'll show you guys the plot of land that we carved out last year. Shouldn't say we, Mandy did most of the legwork on this one. But there's Mandy. There's Gracie. It's tough for me to see. But as you guys can see in our backyard, we got a beautiful 25. What is it, Mandy? About 25 by 50? Yeah. About 25 by 50 plot of dirt dug up here. Unbelievable. So tonight, we'll show you a little before. There's before. And a little after of, we're going to put up our fence. So I think we're just going to get the posts in, right? Yeah. We're going to get the initial, just the metal posts in. And then we've got a couple rolls of, I think it's 100 by 6 foot tall galvanized that we're going to put around the outside. So that should keep all the deer out, all the rabbits, all that stuff. So yeah, exciting times for us. We're getting the garden season rolling. And we've got, of course, a northern Minnesota soda pop. If you know what I'm talking about, I like catching limits of walleyes. And we've got a little music. And yeah, it's a beautiful Friday evening here in the Northland. Stay with us. Looking forward to showing you guys a little progress here. Okay, you guys, me and Gracie, hey buddy, oh yeah, and Mandy, we got the fence posts up. So here's what she looks like. Fence post. Stay tuned. We're gonna put up the galvanized here this weekend too. See you guys in a minute. What's up, everybody? So we did end up getting the galvanized fence up, and I even got a till done on the garden. So I wanted to show you guys kind of the final picture here. I've got one more till to go. I'm a novice gardener. Mandy and I have never done a garden, like a true in-earth garden like this. So here's kind of the last sneak peek of what it looks like. before we plant. Check that out. As you can see, we got a little weed issue still, but we're gonna do one more till, and man, that feels really good. Feels really, really good. Oh, I got one more thing for you too. Mandy, as awesome as she is, her and I both really wanted some raspberries. So, check this out. I'm gonna flip this around. We made our own little row of raspberries, and we've been reading and we got advice from our friends that we shouldn't plant these like directly in our garden. So here they are. I can see one of them's taken off. We bought them all bare roots, so I can see little buds on all the branches. So hopefully this turns into a nice little raspberry section in a couple years. So yeah, one more look at the garden, you guys. There it is. The galvanized turned out really, really nice. I was right. This is 100-foot rolls, 6 foot tall. We're gonna bend it, make it look a little bit tighter and neater. But yeah, we're really excited about how this turned out. And stay with us. We'll get you in on some planning. See you in the next one.